going to learn a little bit more about Dr. Bieber and his office. Tell us a little bit about your background.
I've lived in Colorado, or called Colorado home, for nearly 30 years. A couple years before graduating college, I had a softball accident where a softball took a bad hop, jumped up, and knocked out my front right tooth. And amazingly enough, a dentist left his morning brunch on a Sunday morning, can you believe it, to help me. And he put the tooth back in my head. He started some root canal treatment. And a few weeks later, I had to go back to college, and he passed his work off to another dentist in Boulder, Colorado, because I was attending CU at the time. And she ended up doing root canals and posting cores and crowns and restored my smile. After this period of time, I was so excited about my new smile and how things looked. I said, how do I do this for a living? How do I help other people?
That's so great.
Welcome to the clinic of Bieber Family Orthodontics. This is my lead technician, Kelly Hardesty. Kelly's been in orthodontics for more than 20 years. She believes in our philosophy. She does amazing work. She loves kids. This is Brianne Webster. She's one of our technicians in the clinic. Bree's been in orthodontics now for a few years. She does an amazing job with kids. I'd like to introduce you to one of my best assistants ever. Her name is Vanessa Shaver. Vanessa's been with me for a number of years now, been in orthodontics for almost 10 years. She is amazing. She's phenomenal. She's the one who helps coordinate our lab work, and she loves taking care of kids. I'd like to introduce you to my treatment coordinator. This is Stephanie Springer. Stephanie has been with us for about 2 years now. She's the person who you're going to talk with about the treatment plan. She'll talk to you about money, finances. I'd like to introduce you to my office manager. This is Wendy Weinbach. Wendy has about 20 years of experience. She's worked as a chairside assistant, she's worked as a treatment coordinator, and now as the office manager, she is who's responsible for this most amazing practice. I'd like you to meet our receptionist. This is Bobby Jo Salazar. Bobby Jo has been with me for several years, and you'll find that she is a tremendous asset to the company. She is amazing with the parents on the phone, the patients as they check out.
Dr. Bieber, if someone asked you, what do you do? What would you say?
My job is orthodontics, but as a person, I change people's lives.
That's very true.